Boys? Where's the baby?
This baby.
What's his name?
It's baby.
It's Isaac. Hi, Isaac. Huh? Lucas, be careful, please. Show him who's in the mirror. Who's in that mirror, Lucas? You. Hmm. Show Isaac. Show Isaac in the mirror. No, put it back down. Yeah, Mommy. That's Isaac's new toy. Lucas, go lay with your brother. Here, I got it. I've got it. Go lay with your brother. Isaac. Hey, kiddo. Hey, kiddo. Lucas. No. Lucas. Don't mush him. That's his toy. Come put it back.